here I throw a salute. Another welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, talk how you see how Chelsea won and Manchester United won. And we get Sam will be like saying that Ogbonge Manchester United fan. Make on tell us about how you see this game. Sam, the way the game they go, it cannot be like say Chelsea won work out with the full 3 points. But Manchester United can't show that never say die, never say never spirit. You as a Man U fan, now how you see the match?
Well, normally, me I know say Chelsea no fit go away with the match. Despite the fact say na 90 something or 80 something, I believe same because the penalty normally, they no deserve am because that na pure stupid foul based on Roger. Normally, McTominay suppose hold am na defensive work. Suppose am, but based on the fact say they give them that stupid penalty, I believe say normally they no win, but. I just get the courage because based on one of Chelsea fans just dey talk for us whether they don't win, say we know if we win, say based on say we beat us and we beat say, but I know say we know they know if we win us. This one normally they are in their home. We now have more supporters. Them now the ginger, but we now we know they home, we dey away, but we dey play that. Normally I know say we play them possession, they don't play any ball. Now just small time now they take place on ball, but normally I love the ball and. But normally Manchester United players they play ball, but I don't really see anybody who have to give man of match like that. But based on the Casemiro 9 minute header, so I'll give him the man of match.
You will not be a man of the match.
Yes, to me.
So, but you talk say the players too. You know, see the person when stand that. But what do you think that happened to Manchester United for this game? Because we see the way Manchester United play Arsenal, we see the way Manchester United play Liverpool too, and also the way that they play Tottenham. But this game with Chelsea, they don't approach the game with that kind of ginger. What do you think say happened differently for this game?
I know really believe say they not approach this game with ginger normally. They play the game well. Normally you cannot be dominating football all the time. They just like the way Nottingham Forest won Liverpool today. It's not every time you dominate football. So normally they have to be on the ball. They have to try. So if they play like that, it's their luck. But me, I know that normally in this game now we be the best. Now we play ball. So all those Manchester United no play any big ball to me. Now just waiting God just desire and I'm going to get play.
But with what you they see now, Sam, how high you be predict say Manchester United go finish by the end of the season?
I believe say man you go enter top 3, top 4. Wallahi. Based on you seen the character of the team, the passion to win. It's not like last season when we say all them cover and them this person be the name of this our players. We say they come all them cover, all them Maguire and all those when they play nonsense last season. They no get eager to win. Then they play ball. I bet on say they pay them big salary. Whether I play or I no play well, I go collect my salary at the end of the week. But these players they get passion, man. And I believe say if possible, self will even collect the Premier League. Yes, I believe that. But normally Arsenal now they're the top, but me I know say they no carry the Premier League. So I believe say we'll go enter that. If possible, we'll enter top 2. Yes, that's what I believe.
Before I will let you go now, Sam. This decision when Eric Ten Hag make to bench Cristiano Ronaldo for this match, when you no play, I say make Ronaldo go dey train with under 23. You as a Man U fan, how you see that decision? You think that the right decision now the manager make after waiting happen for that Tottenham game?
Yes, now he's trying to show him that now him be the boss. You are my player. It's what I tell you to do that you do. If I decide not to play you, I will not play you. If I decide to play you, I will play you. Performance is not based on you won 5 Ballon d'Or or you won how many Champions League. You see players like Zlatan Ibrahimovic due to their age and based on they are not playing the kind of system the manager wants. They sit on the bench. Other guys enter match, play ball. So you now, no be say any player for Man, you say even they close to achieve what you don't achieve. You don't achieve everything you want to achieve. You don't achieve it. So if you know start match, you know bad. No, you are 37 years old. That's 37 plus self. No, you are close to your 40s. You don't even need to be playing match all the time. So normally age as I tell you, we've seen the match, we've seen what you play throughout the season. We cannot decide to risk it every time. So the coach makes the decision. He knows what he's doing. As I'm saying, he knows what he's doing. So with that passion and with the decision he gave to Ronaldo, he deserves it because normally we never finish match and you see the waka they come up pitch. Who are you? Are you the owner of the club? You are not the owner of the club, so you have to take discipline. Ballon d'Or no mean say you know take discipline. Everybody is a human being. Just that you performed well. That is what will make you a better person. And if you see that as you are performing well at even your old age, you still want to be playing, and you are not making impaction. You performed well. That was then. This now. We don't use then to compare now. Your achievements of then can reflect in the future, but based on Now this na football, no be politics or anything. You achieve any of them based on and this team of Man United, they are looking for a way to go forward. They are not looking for a way to just be stagnant. You want move forward, now wetin dey try tell you. So you cannot be seeing the game time every time, and you deserve the punishment to me.
All right, now, Sam, thank you for your time.